places that I had to bolt onto my window. I'm not sure if you see here, but this is a little motor down here, and this is the frame that holds my window. So it's three pieces. It's one right here that goes in this hole, which I'm not sure if you guys can see there, but it's that. There's another one right down here, and then there's the last little piece on the side. So it's 3 pieces, and it's that easy. It's already lifted up, so the window's gonna stay high up until I assemble the rest of the car. This is my window here. It's so gorgeous. So we're gonna start with passenger door.
Doing crazy dreaming.
So guys, so I ordered the new bolts for the window because I thought I had lost the previous ones, because it's been a very long time since I received these windows from the auto body and I had them in storage. And you know, as I'm prepping up my little station to install my window on the driver's side, I realized that the fucking bolts were there the whole time. They were just in the front, not in the back. So, moral of the story, check your parts for bolts. Yeah. Well, now I'm gonna use the original ones because they seem a lot better quality than these, but they're still kind of cute. Okay. Let's get started. Now I'm doing the driver's side door, guys. So this is my driver door. Looks still pretty raw in there. Look, so you guys could get a little recap of where the bolts go. I am gonna follow up this clip with an image. So one bolt here, second bolt there, and then third bolt right where this line is at, right here. So let's get started.
Baby, wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just twist your body with mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
Guys, so I successfully installed my windows. It was a little difficult, but imagine just dropping in the engine. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll leave all of the links and part numbers down below. Thank you. Have a good day.